Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2021 71 registration Mercedes G63 4-litre biturbo V8 AMG. This is a one owner vehicle. It does come with the lovely G Manufaktur package as well, which does give you access to the extended paint finishes, this one being the Monza grey Magno, and inside it does have the macchiato beige and espresso brown exclusive Nappa leather. A must have on the G63s are the 22-inch cross-spoke forged alloys. As we move down the side, you can see the paintwork's got a little bit of a brown tinge and fleck. Has covered 77,000 miles, which you wouldn't really know because the condition of this vehicle is pretty good, as you can see from the leather on the inside. It does have your heated outer rear seats, and rather than the black Dynamica headlining, you do have it in the macchiato beige. As standard, you do get the Burmester surround sound system, and in particular on this car you've got the piano black lacquer trim. For the front seats, they are heated and ventilated, and they are the Multicontour seats, so they are massage function as well, along with your memory function. Does also have the electric sliding sunroof. AMG instrument cluster with your widescreen displays. You do have your ambient lighting, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, etc. through there. Moving down here, you do have the AMG specific IWC analog clock, which is a nice little touch. Does also come with the likes of your Multibeam LED headlights up top, and other features such as the 360-degree cameras. Overall, just a lovely specification. It does also have the night package in Magno. Like I said, one owner from new, in lovely condition. If you've got any more questions on this vehicle, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.